Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm using this Nexus 5X since a week and now I'm going to share my personal experience with you. I got this device with the Android 6, that is the Marshmallow, and soon I got a notification to upgrade to Oreo. I can say that it's a great thing which impressed me a lot. After upgrading it to Oreo, I noticed a little bit lag in the performance. This device consists only 2 GB RAM, where we can't expect much more rather than this. Anyway, Oreo experience with this Nexus device is very good. Let's check some Oreo updates in this device. In settings are totally refurbished and they are aligned in a neat manner in some same font as well as same sizes. Settings has entirely simplified. Coming to the notification screen, these are very neatly aligned and very handy. This device has a very good gesture which is very impressive. When we swipe down on the fingerprint sensor, some minimal settings are open on the screen. When we swipe down on the fingerprint sensor, some minimal settings are open on the screen, and vice versa. When we swipe again, the whole settings are open, and when we swipe up simultaneously on the fingerprint sensor, it goes up. It's very good and handy as well. You can check on the screen. I have shot some photos as well as few videos. I have tested this camera in slow motion also. I have attempted many calls using this mobile. The voice clarity is very good and the noise cancellation is very nice. And along with this device, we also got a Type-C charger. It's a very good thing which supports the quick charge and it also supports the fast data transfer as well. According to my view, I have noticed these are the advantages of this device. Now we are going to discuss about the disadvantages as well. This device is provided with a short data cable, which is a major drawback which can be said. It is a very short cable and it is not handy to charge on the table. And the average build quality which is provided with plastics around. I hope it's a very delicate build quality which has been expected from Nexus family. Google would have been given a better build quality for this device in the same budget. As Google stated, this mobile also offers a quick charge, but I could not expect that. I also noticed that quick charging is not good in this device. And it also provides a moderate battery life. I have also noticed battery is draining very fast after the Oreo update. I used an Apple 6s which is held with 1715 mAh battery, and here the Nexus which is held with 2700 mAh battery. Even though after a regular usage in a 24-hour cycle, the Apple gives a productive manner of battery life, but Nexus could not. There is a huge difference between the count of the battery life, but the battery backup is very low in case of Nexus. At the updates point of view, the mobile is tremendous and very good. Even though we have few drawbacks, the device is satisfactory. And It is worthwhile to invest your pockets on this phone. This is my close review of this device after usage.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.